Glossier. Bless me. Hey guys, it's me again, Reza, and I'm back with another video. Welcome to the channel. So today we're gonna be doing a review and a demo. I will try on the Glossier products that I picked up over the few weeks, because I asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted a Glossier video, if that is something that you guys would want to watch, and I got a lot of yeses. So got you. Okay, but before I start, if you guys don't know yet, but I think all of you guys know what Glossier is, because it's really hyped up like the past few months. Okay, so Glossier is a brand that focuses on skin first and makeup second. So it has makeup and also has skincare. So I've been wanting to purchase from them since last year when I started hearing about them, but because everyone's been literally raving about all of their products, but I didn't really do anything about it until this year. So I picked up a few stuff a few weeks ago or last month, yeah. And I've been testing them out for a while now, and if you want to hear what I think about their products, just keep on watching. So okay, let's do this. So the first thing I got is the Glossier Boy Brow, and this is the box. Hello, it's not focusing, Lord. So yeah, the packaging is really simple. So it has Glossier here, and this is the product itself. It is an eyebrow fluffer, filler, and shaper doll. So yeah, and they have this in 4 shades. They have it in black, blonde, clear, and brown. So I got the black one because my hair is really dark and I felt like it would suit me best. And as you can see, I have no more products on my eyebrows. Sad. And I'm starting with bare brows so that you guys can see the before and after difference when I put this on. So this is actually the first time that I bought a brow product that's like a mascara, because so I have nothing to compare this to. But so far this has been working really well, so let's put it on. So what I usually do is I just brush my brows up with this one. So obviously there's a big difference. This side is the one that I just brushed, so and this is the bare eyebrow. So see, I have really thin eyebrows, and with this product, this is what happens. Just a few swipes and I look like I have eyebrows. So let me just finish putting on this on both my eyebrows. Wow, that's too much product. Okay, I think that's enough. So yeah, obviously there's a really big difference. So I decided to get this because I am a really lazy person. I just swipe that all over my eyebrows and ta-da, it's done. It's there. So yeah, it's really easy to use and it's really fast. So when you're on a rush like me, because I'm always late to everything, this is really reliable and it really does the trick. So far it's been working good. That was my first product na ganon, like na eyebrow mascara or eyebrow tint or whatever you call it. But yeah, so far it's really good. And before I thought that those kinds of product was useless, kasi like why would you need a mascara for your eyebrows? But shame on me. It's really helpful. I mean, obvious naman diba may difference. Moving on. Okay, next I got the Glossier Birthday Balm Dotcom. So it is a universal skin salve. So this is how the box looks like. The packaging is really cute, and I got the birthday cake one. So yeah. So I use this as a lip balm, but apparently you can use it on your eyelids as well. So yeah, it's really good for dry skin though, and my skin is really dry. So this is the product itself, and it's really cute because it smells really good. It smells like a birthday cake. So yeah, I read that this is holographic though, but I'm not really sure. But it has tiny glitters on when you apply it. So let me just apply this. So it's just a clear lip balm, see? And it has really subtle shine, like low-key shine. So where's my mirror? Wow, my lips are really dry. So yeah, it doesn't really tint your lips. It's just clear with super tiny glitter. But it's really good for the lips because it makes my lips soft. And it makes my lips plump. So yeah. But I want to get this in a different flavor because I feel like this flavor is not that good. Because I want to get this in the mint one and the coconut one. I want to get them all. But yeah, as for now, I just have this one, the birthday one. But it's super cute as well because the packaging is holographic. So yeah, I'll just finish this and then I'm gonna get another flavor. So I super love this because it really makes my lips soft. So, and that is what is important. So yeah. Okay, next I got the Glossier Cloud Paints. So they have 4 different shades and I got all 4 of them because I didn't know what shade would perfectly fit me. So so these are inspired from New York sunsets now. So they have Haze, Beam, what's this, Dusk, and Puff. So those are the 4 shades and yeah, I love them all. So Haze is like a berry color. So, and I super love the packaging because it's really cool. They come in this super cute tube. So yeah. And then they also have Dust. This is like a brown, bronzy, mauve nude color. And then this is Beam. It's like a coral pink or peachy sun-kissed orange color. And then the last one is Puff. So it's like a cotton candy or baby pink shade. So these are the 4 shades. So we have Dusk, Beam, Puff, and Haze. Yeah. So I super love these because they're super easy to blend and they sit on my skin really nicely, and they have collagen though, so it plumps your cheeks. So yeah, I wish they made more colors though because wala apat lang. I wish they had like 10. So yeah. So you can use your fingers or a beauty blender, I guess, or a brush to put these on, but I prefer using my fingers. So these are just super lovely. They give you that natural fresh glow. So 10 out of 10. Plus the texture, it's not that liquidy. It doesn't feel like a lip tint. It's more of a creamy texture. So it kind of feels like a liquid foundation. So yeah. So let's put Haze on my right cheek. So, and what I love about this is that you don't really need that much product. Like you just need this and okay na. So where is my mirror? Yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna swipe all of them on my arm to show you guys clearly because apparently I suck at doing this. So yeah. So I will swipe them now. Like here. Where will I swipe them? Swatch para swatch. So let's start with Haze. So these are the 4 shades and I think this is more helpful than when I swatched them on my cheeks because I did not do a good job doing that. So yeah, anyways. So yeah, that was a long shot, but I hope this video helped you guys decide if you guys want to pick up some Glossier products. I really had a difficult time filming this video, but I did my best. I tried my best, so I'm so sorry. But I do hope I helped a little bit. shops. Okay, so final thoughts. I think they're all really great. I will repurchase all of them because I really love all of them. I swear, I've been using them non-stop since the day I got them. And what I super love about them is that they're all travel size, so they're all really tiny. I love how they're really tiny, so I can put them in all of my bags. So yeah, I can even put them in my pockets. So, and if you guys are wondering where I got Glossier products here in the Philippines, I will link all of the shops that I know that resell Glossier products in the description box. Anyway, thank you guys so much again for watching, even if I think that I did not help, because swear, sobrang nahirapan ako i-film to. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys liked this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. You know the drill. And please subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.